Hey guys, welcome back to another Laundromat video. This week we actually got this nice little park bench installed out front. Took about maybe 2.5 hours. Here's us installing it. You can always tell a slacker because usually he has some chips or a pop or a cigarette in his hand, and just easier to do it all yourself, I guess. But we got this installed. This is the timestamp. This is 11:52. We get all done, wrap it up. This is 12:48, same day, about an hour later. And this guy walks down the street, decides our bench looks comfortable, sits down, and I'll let you guys watch for yourself. We ordered this pipe freezing kit from Amazon since our water line goes behind our dryers, actually over our dryers, and this is going to be a outside temperature area. So we'll plug this in, that way it warms the pipe. We're going to wrap that sucker with insulation, that way it doesn't freeze. So hopefully this plus insulation will protect our pipe. We'll get some clips of us putting this on. It's got a little thermostat at the end when you plug it in, and it only heats on if the temperature is below 37 degrees, so it's not on all the time, especially not during the summer. Hanging this wire up, what we did is we put the thermostat above here, so it's going to be in the outside temperature. It won't warm up unless it's less than 37 degrees, like I said, but we're just taping this probably every like 2 feet, and then we'll put the heat foil tape, we'll put it over this, that way it heats the pipe up. And then we'll put our pipe insulation around the outside, and hopefully that's warm enough so that the pipes don't freeze. And this is kind of what the finished product looks like. We got the thermostat peeking out here. We got the 2 lines on it. We got the pipe insulation, the foam stuff over it. We'll probably put another 3-inch insulation over this as well, just to make sure that there's no problems. But that's kind of how it looks. We got some Gorilla Tape on the outside, sealing it all up. Done deal. Working on the gas line today. We ordered these custom online. Well, I guess they're not custom, but we ordered them online because we're going to get them locally. It's 2-inch, 2-inch, half-inch. Put them up on the wall. These are going to feed the dryers. We'll shut off on each one of these half-inches. Got our 2-inch pipe. We're at Home Depot for 2 hours when they're threading for us. We'll get all these together. If you look over here, we have our 2-inch pipe mounted, and we're starting to mount our T's. We got these big old pipe wrenches right here. Oh, what do you think, 25, 30 pounds for this? Helping us tighten down these fittings, and should get this whole thing out about an hour or 2. And then we're just going to need some more, little more pipe cut and some elbows and stuff. And then we'll switch over the gas line to the system. Got most of the pipe up. These are the T's coming out. Got about a 12-inch nipple on here. And then we got our gas valve right here. We'll probably just come in with our flex line into here, and we shut each individual machine off. If you remember from the last video, we got the electric up, so each one of the electrics is going to come up the top, up over here, attach to here, attach to here, attach to the line, and then into the panel. So it's looking good. We got 9 of them done. I got to get one more T. They only sent me 9 T's when I ordered 10, but not a big deal. We still got about a month before the machines come in. Okay. We got more water in here. It feels like about 1 inch or 2 of water. This is a different one from before. So we're gonna go on the roof and investigate why there's so much water in here, because we don't want the water going through the vents and into our dryers, so we gotta get that all fixed up and sealed. Up on the roof, look at these vents. Nothing seems out of the order, so I don't know why there's so much water in there. But we're gonna just tape off some of these seams, and hopefully that solves the problem. So on our bulkheads right now we have 1/2 inch plywood. We got it painted Dorian gray, our favorite color. It's really not a finished look though, unless you use sanded plywood, sand it all down. So we have this paneling stuff. This is Home Depot, 21 bucks a sheet. Got some weathered wood. We're gonna put this up. We're gonna get our white molding right here. Countertop's gonna come over it, and we'll finish the corners. And it should look real good. These things piece together real nice, so they all look good. Can't wait to get this up. Probably end of this week we'll get these up, so our bulkheads will be looking nice and cool. And we got some bonus footage of some wacky things that I found when walking through some rental properties. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you next video. I'm walking through this house. Here's the kitchen. What is this room? Oh wait. Found the toilet. This is my favorite thing I've seen in a while, walking through a house. I'm in the kitchen. I look over here and check out this dishwasher. That's a tall man's dishwasher. Still has dishes in there. Nice.